Are you feeling overwhelmed with your backlog and releases that take forever? Is the help not available internally? Whether you're a small business or a large company, these are some of the common problems that our clients are facing. Great news is that we've successfully transformed the way our clients deliver.
Hi, I'm Mirella. I'm an accounts director.
And I'm Rob. I'm the director at EXO Digital. We're a design and innovation consultancy. At EXO, we're passionate about helping product and marketing teams solve complex problems. Lack of resources, revenue targets aren't being met, or even digital technology creates problems than progress. I'm striving for our mission in shaping the future of experience through design and innovation. We've partnered with top-tier banks, finance companies, and retailers so we know what works and what doesn't.
It all starts with a great idea until it hits a wall, where you're feeling overwhelmed with backlog that's piling up and meetings that get dragged on forever without any consensus. So what's on offer and how can we help you solve the problem that you're facing? What we're offering is a process blueprint, which has been tried and tested with successful companies like Google, Facebook, and Apple, to name a few. We've been using the technique with our clients to deliver successful projects, and we've refined it over the years. It's called Innovation Sprint.
To put it simply, we've removed the biggest risk in launching products by learning as early as possible and testing it to customers in under 4 days.
So how would you know if this is working for you? Not to worry. In my experience, it can be a simple matter of introducing a new app feature, a change of wording, or sometimes the color or version tweak can be the difference in 10 to 50% improvement in revenue. Well, we'll come to your office and meet your team to pursue a breakthrough in whatever product or marketing challenge you're facing.
So what do you think? If you're interested to learn more, give us a call or book a time to discuss further through the link below. We look forward to hearing from you soon.